Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix voice chat not working in Roblox 2026. First, join any Roblox game and check the top corner for a headset icon. If you see it, tap it to enable voice chat. If there is a microphone icon, make sure it is not muted. Next, open the Roblox menu using the Roblox icon or the ESC key, then go to Settings. Scroll down to the voice chat option and set it to Connected. After that, check your audio devices. Set your microphone as the input device and your headset or speakers as the output device, and make sure your volume is turned up. Also note that voice chat only works in supported games, so ensure the game you are playing has it enabled. If it still doesn't work, leave the game and open Roblox app settings. Go to account info and add your phone number if the option is available. Finally, verify your age in personal settings by selecting Continue with Selfie or Continue with Camera and complete the verification process, as this is required to unlock voice chat. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.